How to connect Apple Pencil to iPad 10th generation. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to connect Apple Pencil to iPad 10th generation. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The setup process is different for first and second generation Apple Pencils, so check which model you own. When you pair an Apple Pencil with an iPad, you can draw, write, and perform many different gestures with it. In this tutorial, we will show you all about how to pair and set up Apple Pencil with your iPad. First, remove the cap from the back end of your device and plug the Apple Pencil into your iPad's Lightning port. A notification will appear on the screen. Tap Pair. You can now set up your Apple Pencil, so tap on Settings and scroll down and tap on Apple Pencil. Here, you can see how much charge your Apple Pencil has and adjust its settings. Toggle Only Draw with Apple Pencil on if you'd rather navigate your device with your fingers and only use your Apple Pencil for drawing and writing. Toggle on Scribble to convert any handwritten text in a text area to type. Tap Try Scribble to practice writing in the text field and having it converted into type. Tap left corner swipe to turn taking screenshots or opening QuickNote with your Apple Pencil on or off. When turned on, this gesture will work even if you have Only Draw with Apple Pencil toggled on. Tap right corner swipe to turn taking screenshots or opening QuickNote with your Apple Pencil on or off. When turned on, this gesture will work even if you have Only Draw with Apple Pencil toggled on. So this is how you can connect Apple Pencil to iPad 10th generation. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, Login Giants, for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.